All right, people, we are back. We got more new tickets, 2,500 a week for life, people. All that money, is that what we need, people? Ay, ay, ay. 2,500 week, people, a week for life. If we get all that money by one, it's going to be $1,949,000, people. All right. Ay, ay, 25 years. Ay, mamma mia. Oh, Baba Mia, people. Let's go. Let's see what we have by one. All right. The winner numbers for 15, 19, and 34. Let's go. 21, 28. This is shaking more than my grandma's hands. You know, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. 24, 25, 11, 31, 26, 6, 4 up there, 20, 19, 8, 33, 34, and the last one, 282. And a loser. A loser, people. Let's go. Number 30. We got just 2 tickets, people, but we got more tickets. There's 2 more, the same book. So don't miss it. Don't forget to follow and give us a like, please. Support the page, please. 19, 13, 8, 29, 31, 11, nothing, 6, 18, nothing so far, people, not looking good. 23, 32, and the last one, 33. Nothing, people, 2 losers in a row. But we got more ticket, people, so don't miss it.